Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great guys. So guys, in today's video I am going to share the Colorbar Ready to Wink eye makeup kit. It has 3 brushes. The first one is this angular eye brush, or you can use this for nose contouring if you prefer nose contouring too. And I am going to use this for contouring my nose and to fill my eyebrows both. You can also apply a thick eyeliner using this angular brush also. The smoking eye smudger brush, and now I'm going to use this brush to apply a eye base for my eyelids. This is the Hilary Road eyeshadow palette that I am using. And the third one is this eye alluring eyeshadow brush. This is a flat eyeshadow brush that can be used to apply shimmer eyeshadows perfectly on the eyelids. And I'm going to apply this golden color on my eyelid. And now using this gel eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris to apply eyeliner on my upper eyelids and on the lower lash line also. Using the smoky eyeshadow brush to highlight inner corner of my eyes, eyebrows and nose. Cruelty free and totally worth it.